Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Life with Estefany. It's your girl Estefany, and we're back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to do a DIY. I'm going to be making this, as you guys can see. So let's get right into the video. What do I have with singing today? Oh yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, what I'm going to be using is, of course, you need the headband, you need the beads. I hope these beads give. And you need your glue gun and some glue sticks. So guys, that's all you need. So let's get right into the video. So guys, I am done with this video. I kind of just have to fill in a little in the little spots, but y'all, I'm tired. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And see you guys in the next one. Like, it's cute, it's cute, yes. Like at first guys, like it was looking kind of but then I was like, trust the process, and look at it, it actually looks good. I wish I didn't do it like in a pattern, like pearl gold, like I should just do random, but it looks good.